Hello friends, welcome again to this channel. Today I am going to explain about SOAP UI. What is SOAP UI and how to install it for our project requirement. So based on the several requests from the user, I am creating this session for you to explain different aspects on the SOAP UI, how we can use it and what's the advantages of that. When we are working with SOAP UI, how we can integrate and set up the configuration, then test our functionality. So I will cover each and every aspect in a further session as well. But right now I am going to explain to you what is SOAP UI and how to install it. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Here we go with SOAP UI concept. So simple object access protocol, that is SOAP, is the network protocol for exchanging structured data between nodes. So if someone is asked with you about what is full form of SOAP, then you can definitely tell that simple object access protocol. It uses XML format to transfer messages and definitely JSON as well. That is post and get, two methods we are using for transferring the messages. It works on the top of application layer protocol like HTML and SMTP, that is simple mail transfer protocol. For notations and transmission, SOAP allows processes to communicate throughout platforms, languages and operating system. Since protocols like HTTP is already installed on all platforms, SOAP was designed by Bob Atkinson, Don Box, Dave Wiener and Mohsen A.L. Gosin at Microsoft in 1998. SOAP was maintained by the XML Protocol Working Group for the World Wide Web Consortium until 2009. So if you are looking for the installation steps, just go to this website. So don't worry about that. I will mention in the description tab from where you can download it. So if you are looking to buy out the pro version, you can buy it by using this. So if you are looking for the free or trial version, you can download it from this location. So once you click on this, it will ask for the registration. Otherwise, for downloading or SOAP UI Pro, so this is SOAP UI open source where you can get some less services and in SOAP UI Pro you will get the advanced services as well. So just click on get started now on this option and you can download it, the SOAP UI tool for your use purpose. But if you are looking for CI/CD integration and GraphQL or ML, so definitely you can go ahead with the SOAP UI Pro free version or SOAP UI upgraded version. So there are some differences between these two. In open source you will get some less feature, but in advanced tool you will get some advanced feature like GraphQL, then CI/CD pipeline and several others methods are included over there, easy to use. These versions you will get it for 64-bit, but if you are looking your system is having 32-bit, then you can download it from this link, from this URL. Once you will click on the download, not this one, go back to this and definitely by this option here, I will mention it in description tab, you can download it from here. So this will provide you 32-bit application for your ease of use. So after downloading, this is a exe file, just download it from download folder, and from the download folder double click on that and follow the steps this application will install in your system. Once you will open this, you are able to see this dashboard. So there are several options are available. In file option, you can create empty project, new SOAP project, as well as REST project. Then if you want to import any project, you can do that by using this option. And in main menu, you can see here different methods are available as well. So SOAP, if you want to integrate your SOAP project, you can just click on this, and you have to configure your initial WSDL and the project name. Once you will click on this, your project will be created here. Again, there is a REST services. If you want to use the REST services, provide the value of your REST service and you can use this. There is a proxy servers, details are also available. If you want, you can use it. Preferences, if you want to change it from your preferences, you can do that, just like HTTP setting, proxy settings, SSL settings, and some other settings are also available here. At any point of time, if you feel to make any changes on this, you can do that. There is a project properties and custom properties are also available. It's very much possible to make it change according to your requirement. Now let's move to some basic and the features of SOAP UI. So when we are talking about the feature, it's definitely going to be have a great content with your project as well. So SOAP UI is a tool which is used to perform functional testing against your SOAP, REST, GraphQL, JMS or other API or web services. So SOAP UI functional test verify that an API or web service follows the required business logic. In general, a test simply sends a request and checks if responses meet your expectation. So usually the test consists of a number of requests or steps that simulate a real user behavior. On each step, assertion checks that service works as expected and returns the needed response. By using data-driven loops, it is possible to reuse the same test steps with different data to make sure that the tested service handles it correctly. Testers usually use functional tests during the entire service development. With functional tests, they verify that after adding new functionality to their application, all features functions properly. These tests can also be used in load testing. So let's take what all aspects we can do that by using SOAP UI. Definitely functional testing is the first part, second is security testing, third load testing, fourth protocols and technologies, and fifth, that is most important part, there is the integration with other tools as well. So let's have a look on brief about functional testing. So SOAP UI allows the testers to write functions API test in SOAP UI. So just if you want to create any functional testing script, provide your project detail and create your XAML file, that is XML file. SOAP UI supports drag and drop feature that accelerates the script development, and SOAP UI supports debugging of tests and allows testers to develop data-driven tests. SOAP UI supports multiple environments, making it easy to switch among QA, dev and prod environment. So when it comes to security testing, it's a very much important part. In many of the organizations are using this application for pen test, means checking the vulnerabilities of the code or any data is not passing through with your code. SOAP UI performs a complete set of vulnerability scan. SOAP UI prevents SQL injection to secure the databases. SOAP UI scans for stack overflows caused by documents used in sites. SOAP UI scans for cross-site scripting, which occurs when service parameters are exposed in message. SOAP UI performs fuzzing scan and boundary scan to avoid erratic behavior of the services. So when it comes to the load testing, that is third part of functionality in SOAP UI. So load testing is also possible to do that by using SOAP UI. it distributes the load test across n number of load UI agents. The several other tools are available, that is JMeter and load runner. So the different other tools are available for the load testing, but SOAP UI is also very easy to use that. SOAP UI simulates high volume and real world load testing with ease. SOAP UI allows advanced custom reporting to capture performance parameter. SOAP UI allows end-to-end system performance monitor. So when we are talking with the protocols, that is fourth part of SOAP UI functionality, protocol and its technology used in testing. So definitely SOAP Object Access Protocol, WSDL, that is Web Service Definition Language, REST, HTTP, HTTPS, AMF, JDBC and finally GMS. There are various tools are available which is integrated with SOAP UI. So I am giving some of the names, but you can find out more online. So Apache Maven Project, Hudson and JUnit, these three applications are maximum used with integration of SOAP UI. So this way we can understand that how we can use it SOAP UI for our regular project, and this is useful for functionality, performance testing, load testing, security as well as integrating with different applications. So this is all about the SOAP UI introduction and how to install that. So let's recap this. So we have started with the basics of SOAP UI. I've covered their aspects. Then we had a look on websites from where we can download it. This website you can use it for 32-bit, and for advanced packages and advanced version you can download it from here. But when you are downloading from here, you will get 64-bit. So if you are having system of 32-bit, you can download it from here. Then we had a look on different components of SOAP UI from this application after installation, and at the end we have discussed of 4 important features which is used in the SOAP UI. First is functionality, second is security, third is load and performance, fourth is protocol, and finally we have discussed about the different tools are integrated with SOAP UI. This is all about what is SOAP UI and how to install it. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment in the comment section so that I will check and revert with the resolution. And most important part, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.